Okay, we're going to demonstrate today how to take an F&A using either the stick method or the aspiration method. So the question is, when do you use which one? So the sticking method we generally start off with first, and I'll demonstrate that here. So you will need a needle. Open your needle. You'll need a syringe. We usually use a 5 ml syringe as the pressure is a lot higher, especially if we're going to be doing the aspiration method. 3 ml syringe is also not bad. You can also use that too. So then what we're going to do is we're going to find the area at which the mass is. So our mass is situated over here, and this is the sticking method. So you're not going to pull back or anything. You're just going to hold it over here. You're going to go into the mass and you're going to move your needle around. So try not to always go just for the center of the mass, because that's usually where most of the necrotic tissue is and does not help with your sampling. But go more for the periphery and the edges and move all around. So when using the sticking method, if you see blood filling up in your hub, you stop immediately, remove the needle, draw back some pressure, place your needle back on, and then you're going to take your glass slide, and with all the pressure, you're going to push your sample onto that. Now there's two ways in which you can spread your material. A lot of the times your material is a lot more cellular than blood, so you will use a squash prep technique. You'll place your slide down and drag across. If it's a lot more watery, you prepare it exactly like your blood smear in that motion. Now, if you did not get a lot of material out from your mass and there was no dilution, hemodilution of blood or anything as such, then you can use your aspiration technique. So the aspiration technique, you're basically going back inside with your mass. You're keeping your pressure up all the time while doing the exact same motion that you use for your sticking method, moving around. After that, you keep the pressure and pull out. Do not let go of the pressure, because sometimes the negative pressure blows everything back and you lose your cellular material. Again, remove your needle first, draw back some air, replace your needle again, press down, catch your material, and then exactly in the same manner, depending on the type of material you found, either you will then use a squash prep or you'll use your blood smear technique.